A fresh way for your dog to hydrate. It's from PETLIBRO. Provides filtered. We add filtered water, spring water to it. It remains cold. It circulates. If by chance any debris falls to the drinking area for your pet, it will do a self-cleaning every 6 hours and it will drip down. That way your pet always have fresh, clean water. It does come with its user manual. I highly recommend you read the instructions. It's very easy to set up and will provide 2.5 gallons of continuous fountain drinking water for your pets. It's a great ease, great performance. Highly recommend for all your pet. We have several pets, so it works very well.
Looks like good water. Nova approved.
This is a review for the PETLIBRO water fountain. Honestly, I don't know how I lived without this thing for years. I have 3 French bulldogs, as you can see, one right there, and I love it. I was filling up the other bowls 4 or 5 times a day. This is great. I believe it holds 2 gallons of water. Very easy setup. Easy to get together. I had it up and running in less than 10 minutes. As you can see, the water just it's filtered and flowing. Great. I love it. Definitely would recommend.
Nice drive. Make every other drive enjoyable too with WeatherTech. Laser measure floor liners protect carpet in the front and second row. Cargo liner protects the rear. The custom fit golf cart mat features a handy cleat cleaner, while the cup phone secures your phone in any cup.
Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick review and on the PETLIBRO water fountain for dogs. I'm planning to also use this for my cats. I don't think they'll have an issue, we'll see. But as you can see, no sound. There's nothing. It's pretty nice. I think this was going to be a major hit in the house. 1 dog, 2 cats. I think this will be great.
And this is all the water that it displays.
So you can see it's super quiet, and you can fill it with lots of water, and the water is always clean because there's a filter. So it's pretty much everything I've been looking for.
Good.